You train hard. Push-ups every morning, dips at night. Yet every time you look in the mirror, your arms still look the same. Here's the harsh truth nobody tells beginners. Push-ups alone will never build big arms. Because muscle growth isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things. So if you're frustrated with skinny arms, stay here. Because I'll show you the exact calisthenics blueprint to turn thin arms into powerful arms that actually look strong. Most people train only one muscle, usually chest, thinking push-ups will magically make everything bigger. But arms are a team. Biceps, triceps, shoulders, forearms. If one muscle grows while the rest stay weak, your arm will always look flat. We fix that today, with a routine designed for full arm growth. Exercise number 1, chin-ups. Think of them as a bodyweight bicep curl. Underhand grip, chin over the bar, lockout on bottom. If you're too weak right now, jump up and lower slowly. The negative will build strength faster than anything. Reps, 4 sets times 6 to 10. Next, dips. This is your calisthenics bench press. Lower to 90 degrees, chest open, elbows back, then press to full lockout. That lockout is where the triceps explode with power. Reps, 4 sets times 8 to 12. Third, close grip push-ups. Hands under shoulders, elbows tucked tight. This move puts the load directly on your triceps. When 15 to 20 reps feel easy, switch to diamond push-ups and watch your arms burn like fire. Reps, 3 sets times 10 to 20. For shoulders that pop, pike push-ups. Hips high, head between hands, smooth controlled pressing. Keep the elbows slightly in, that's the power position. Reps, 3 sets times 8 to 12. Strong arms need strong forearms, and dead hangs are the secret. Hang from a bar for 20 to 40 seconds. When it feels easy, use towels. Your grip will scream, and your forearms will finally grow thick. Reps, 2 to 3 sets times 20 to 40 seconds. Training is not enough. Muscle needs building blocks, protein. Aim for 1.6, 2.2 g protein per kg body weight. Chicken, beef, eggs, fish, beans, protein powder. No matter the source, just hit the daily target. You don't grow in the workout. You grow when you rest. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Train arms 2 to 3 times per week. Not daily. You tear muscle in training, build it with food, and grow during sleep. That's the cycle most beginners never follow. So here's the formula to escape skinny arms forever. Train all 4 muscles. Fuel with protein. Recover like an athlete. Follow this routine, progress weekly, and in a few months, you won't recognize your arms. Now tell me in the comments, which exercise are you starting with today?